To me, a really good drum recording starts with a drummer.
Jonathan is an outstanding player, very consistent, and it comes down to consistency. And then when you add the great top-notch gear, the great engineering that Alex partners with me on, and through the entire process, you come up with a great ending result.
When it comes to sampling in general, obviously consistency is the first thing that comes to mind. As a striker, you're really focusing on giving a solid hit every single time that you know is going to be dependable for the engineer. But what people don't think about is that this is going to be used in a musical setting. We really went out of our way to capture these strikes in a way that you were trying to pull the sound out of the drum, and really knew that would translate into a song setting.
So like most producers and engineers, we use a very typical setup. We make sure to use dynamics and condensers on top, subs on the bottom, but we take it like an extra mile. We add some extra stuff to give us options, and we've come up with a collaboration with Roland that have given us a lot of things that we were playing with in post that give us a lot of diversity in the results. Things I think people won't expect.
We did experiment a lot in trying to capture this sound from the drummer's ears, how the drummer perceives it, because a lot of drummers are complaining then that, come on, you put your mics and it doesn't sound no more like it sounds like when I play it, you know. So we pay a lot of attention to that, trying to capture it from the drummer's perspective.
We grab different types of woods for different genres, different depths, different thinnesses, and it's important to do that so that when we get that to the end user, no matter what they're doing, they'll have what they need.
Purple Heart will knock your socks off. Maple has got a broad band range. It really does. Mahogany, dark, very dark. Drummers really want more, and we're delivering acoustic drums and marrying them with this new innovation. I hear those differences, and I hope you will as well.
We want to capture everything that the player can do. We're adding new articulations to expand that where other companies have not done that yet, starting with the center of the head to the edge of the head, to rim shots both at the center and out to the edge in your shallow areas. The cross sticks, we capture everything we think the player could do on the drum.
We can create the more than 16,000 velocity for the modern engines. This is interpolate the technology, I think, for the snare part. The snare part detect the right and left the position, and so we can the sound separate waveforms. This is one of a big deal for this the module.
We have so many great woods to choose from, so many great snare drums. We've got metal snares, we've got wood snares, we've got vintage drums, modern drums, quick attack drums, big fat rock drums. Just so fortunate and happy that we were able to capture all these great drums.
Everything I've heard back has just been top notch. It's been an honor to be a part of it. I grew up playing these drums, and to think that they're going to be playing me is very humbling and special.
A project like this is really near and dear to my heart, having started this project many years ago for DW, and then now joining with Roland to create this amazing sound pack. I'm really honored. It's been really humbling, and it's very special, just near and dear to my heart. So I'm really happy to see how it's all come together.